Hi Learn and Grow, welcome back to another video and to another science experiment with Mr. Caleb. Today we are going to be making a tornado in a bottle. But first we're going to wash our hands and then we're going to go over what materials you're going to need for this very quick experiment. Materials that we need today are 2 water bottles, one of them filled with water, a hot glue gun, tape, food coloring, and glitter. Okay, so the first step is to put the food coloring inside the water bottle with water. So we'll just do a couple drops. Then after that, we're going to add the glitter. Okay, and then the next step is to add hot glue to the water bottles. Okay, so we're adding the hot glue to the edge. Okay, then you take the other water bottle, put it on top, and try to line it up as best as you can. Okay, and then we're going to glue the sides again to make sure it's really on there so this doesn't leak out. Okay, now we waited a little bit to have the hot glue dry, and now we're going to put tape around it too to make sure we really have that sealed. Okay, with the tape on, then you just turn it around and shake it. And you look on top and you have a tornado. Okay, so when we spun the water bottle around, it creates a vortex in there. And that vortex pushes force up and down and causes the tornado to move down. Thanks for watching our video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Like and subscribe.